Follow these steps to use Grok 3 AI. Let's get in. Launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box type in Grok 3 and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, x.ai. You'll be directed to the official website of it, announcing Grok 3. Click on Try Now. Now click on the option Sign In given at the top right. Verify you are a human. Use any of these options, continue with X, Google or Apple, and create your Grok account. In case you have already created, use email and password and then sign into your Grok account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now here at the bottom, you're gonna find this box where you can provide a prompt to Grok. Clicking on this drop down, you are able to enable Grok 3 or Grok 2. Likewise, you can also enable search in the web. Using these options, you can attach files. Likewise, you can enable deep search and the think option. Here, you can provide the prompt and then click on this arrow. Within seconds, it's gonna provide you the answers. So this is how you can easily use Grok 3 AI. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.